Hello. In this video, we will take a look at how do we sort the data within the imported CSV file. If you have not gone through the previous video on how do we import the CSV file, I would highly recommend you to go and check that video out. I will put the link into the description of the video. Now, what do we have here is we already have imported a CSV file, which is at the path C drive PowerShell examples users.csv. And then we've used users format table to output the CSV file content into the console. So let's go ahead and run. And as you can see, we have the details coming in from CSV file on the console. Now, how do we actually go ahead and sort the content, right? So when you want to do that, let's first put a pipeline character. Now let us say we would like to sort the data by the first name, right? So the way we put the sorting here is, so you'll say sort object, and you just put the name of the field that you would like to sort the data on. As you can see, currently it's Shelby, Philip, Christine, right? It's not sorted in the alphabetical order. And the moment you use this sort object first name, and now you'll see the entire content is now sorted with the first name. And as you can see, it's now in the alphabetical order of the first name. Now you can also just use descending if you would like to sort this entire data set into the specific column descending order. So now if we hit run, as you can see, now it is changed from the ascending to the descending in the order. All right, so it's a simple example on how do we sort the data in the CSV file. I thank you for watching the video.